Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing duty stamps associated with lease registration. There's another video on this channel specifically discussing lease registration fees directly, which are very similar to the transfer tax assessed on real property conveyancing here in the kingdom. If those of you who are interested in this topic probably want to go ahead and check out that video as well. Again, it's on this channel under lease registration fees. But the thing to keep in mind is when dealing with a lease, you have to not only deal with sort of a one-off hit for the lease registration fee, you also have to deal with sort of a one-off in terms of the duty stamp fee. So the duty stamp fee for lease registration is going to be 0.1% of the remainder of the value of the given lease. So basically, the entirety of the lease's value, so however much in total the lessee is going to be paying, minus the assessment of the transfer fee, leaves you with a remainder, and of that remainder you're going to take 0.1% in duty stamp fees, which need to be paid at the same time as the lease registration occurs in order to legalize that lease for purposes of enforceability here in the Kingdom of Thailand. As noted in the video about lease registration fees, leases of a duration more than 3 years in the kingdom are not enforceable unless they've been registered with the land department here in the kingdom. And when registered, there's going to be lease registration fees as well as these duty stamp fees associated therewith. That being said, for something as long as 10 years or more, and frankly anything longer than 3 years, it's a good idea to go ahead and register the lease so as to lock in the ability to enforce said lease to keep a landlord from essentially pulling the rug out from underneath you, for lack of a better term, down the road. So again, the thing to keep in mind, the rule of thumb, 3 years or more needs to be registered, and when dealing with the lease registration, you're going to be dealing with the registration fee as well as the duty stamp fee that's going to be assessed and taxed in association therewith.